Well, it means that the very steep curve we are seeing being built up right now, where the back end of the curve has actually recovered a little bit extra over the last few days, while the front is back to or lower than where we were before the announcement. That reflects a market that believing that that the foundation for a recovery has been sowed. The problem is obviously that with all the elevated amounts of storage that we have, and also the fact that this is going to be such a prolonged drawn-out affair in returning to normal. As obviously Trump would like to restart as soon as possible. It's probably not going to happen. Around the world, we're seeing extended lockdowns. What kind of traveling patterns are we going to see once we get on the other side? Are we all going to get back on the plane and do our usual traveling? I don't think so. And so the outlook for the future demand is potentially also being challenged. So I think that there is a risk that we could probably see the curve flatten sometime soon, based on the fact that the back months are going to come down as well.
Ole, absolutely right. Obviously, in the short term, demand is going to be way lower than the supply. But in the medium term, I want to know about investment, because, as we know, there are three curves out there. There is supply, there is demand, and there is the amount of money that people want to put into hydrocarbons and indeed into any form of energy at all. At $25, $30 a barrel, that investment scenario has been absolutely scythed. Are we storing problems for the medium term, not for the short term, where we know there's much more supply than demand?
Potentially we are. Absolutely. That's a risk we cannot avoid not talking about. But it will be a focus when we get further out, because obviously we are seeing capex being cut dramatically as we speak. The oil majors are keeping the money in the pocket while they wait to see when we get on the other side of this. And the other side of this could potentially show a situation where, even though we may see demand not grow as the expectations were before this broke out, and potentially even slow somewhat, there still needs to be found oil needs to be found on a regular basis to offset decaying wells. So that is the challenge, but also one that basically means if we should see some bankruptcies in the U.S. shale oil industry, the oil majors probably stand ready to pick up the pieces, because that's where they really can turn up the tap fairly quickly when the price allows it.
Hi, I'm Joanna Bersecci, and thank you for watching. You can check out more of our videos by clicking on the boxes on the screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more from CNBC International. Thank you for watching.